what's most important is that you use the fall seasonal energies that are happening, that you can feel. Even if you don't even want to admit that you can feel them, you can feel things changing right now. Fall is a good time for changing your life. I'm going to teach you what the 3 questions are that you should be asking yourself right now. Is going to change your year, because I'm going to show you how to use them, why to use them, and when to use them. And when to use them is right now. Asking these questions assume you can change your life. And that's why an hour right now is very well spent. What you think about your life, what you want, what you don't want. Because you can set intention that way for the entire year.